Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use themes and styles to create consistent, professional Word documents. What are themes? A theme controls the overall look of your document, including colors, fonts, and effects. To apply a theme to your document, go to the Design tab. Click Themes to open the gallery and hover to preview each theme in your document. Click a theme to apply it. To save your custom theme, click the Themes drop-down and choose Save Current Theme. The colors can also be customized. To change the colors, click Colors. There are many predefined sets of colors. Select one from them, or for further customization, click Customize Colors. Set colors for text, background, accent colors, and hyperlinks. Give your color set a name and save. The same way, you can change fonts within a theme. Click Fonts and select a font from the list. Or you can further customize fonts. For that, click Customize Fonts. From this small window, choose Heading and Body Fonts. Give the set a name and save. Now let us move to styles. So, what are styles? Styles are predefined formatting sets for paragraphs and characters, like normal, heading 1, and quote. To use a style, open the Home tab and the Styles gallery. Click a style such as Heading 1 to apply it to a chapter title. Use Heading 2 and Heading 3 for subsections. Applying these built-in styles makes it easy to create a table of contents later. An existing style can be modified. For that, right-click a style in the Styles gallery and choose Modify. Change font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. To update every instance in the document, click OK. If you want this style in future documents, check New Documents based on this template. We can also create a new style from scratch. To do that, open the Styles pane from the Home tab. Click New Style. Give the style a name, choose paragraph or character style type, and set formatting. Click OK to add it to the Styles gallery. If you have already formatted a paragraph or text, you can apply that as a style to the whole document for consistency. After setting theme, colors, fonts, and styles, go to File Save As and choose Word Template.dotx. Name the template and save it to use as the starting point for future documents. That's all for this lesson on themes and styles. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more step-by-step word lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.